Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to access the Clipboard history on your Mac running macOS Tahoe 26 or later. With macOS Tahoe, Apple has quietly expanded the Clipboard functionality, making it easier to manage the items you copy and paste on your Mac. Instead of being limited to the most recent copied text or image, you can now access a Clipboard history to retrieve previously copied items. This feature is especially handy for multitasking, writing, or managing files, as it saves you from recopying the same content multiple times. That's it, let's get started. So first we have to press the Command plus spacebar to bring up the spotlight on your Mac. Then you have to switch to the clipboard mode by pressing the Command plus 4 keyboard shortcut. You can now browse the past few copied items up to 8 hours back, complete with visual previews and context information. Clipboard history in macOS Tahoe is a pretty small but powerful addition that boosts productivity and streamlines your workflow. By keeping track of what you copy, it ensures that important snippets are never lost. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it, and I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy macOS tips and tricks.